It's often referred to as exercise in a bottle or nature's Ozempic. What is it that I'm talking about? I'm talking about berberine and how you can utilize this natural compound for weight loss. In this video, I'm going to share with you how berberine works best when taken strategically for weight loss, but not randomly. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get berberine to work effectively for you so that you can get rid of those last couple pounds you've been trying to lose for many years. So stick around to the end, but before we get started, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski. Thanks for hanging out with me in another video today. It's always a pleasure giving you the knowledge you need in order to transform your health and do so naturally, which is really important. Now, let's look at this berberine. When we look at berberine for weight loss, a lot of people think, well, is it magic? Is it nonsense? Well, no, actually, it's very much scientifically based, and there's a lot of science to prove that berberine will help you lose weight, and it does so by helping you control your blood sugar. Now, berberine is going to activate something in your body called AMPK. This is often referred to as the metabolic master switch. When you utilize berberine and activate AMPK, what you're going to find is that berberine is going to lower your blood sugar by helping the cells utilize glucose. It also is going to help reduce the liver's production of glucose. And then from there, it's going to improve insulin sensitivity. And you might think to yourself, well, I don't really have a problem with insulin sensitivity. If you look down right now and you see a belly, you have a problem with insulin sensitivity. And when the insulin's high, you cannot lose weight. So in order to actually tap into weight loss, you have to drive down insulin, and then you'll start getting results. Berberine will help you do this. It actually is also going to support your metabolic health across the board, help you lower your cholesterol, help you reduce the risk of fatty liver, and help with all the other things that come along with metabolic syndrome, and even help you reduce the risk of chronic disease, which is important. I know we're talking about weight loss, but we have to think about our future here too, and making sure we're doing everything we can to protect ourselves from a lot of the different health challenges that people face today. Now, berberine isn't going to just force your blood sugar down. It's actually going to help your metabolism work better. And that's important because this is why we want the natural approach. And mechanistically, it's going to work fairly similar to what a medication like metformin will do in your body, or even the GLP-1s that were originally designed to help people with diabetes do in your body. And this is something that many people are taking today in order to help lose weight. And one of the things that your doctors will never tell you is that berberine works just as well. Berberine is very effective. In fact, there's a randomized controlled trial with those suffering from prediabetes, and one of the things that they found when people took the same amount of berberine as they took of metformin is that both were able to reduce fasting glucose and post-meal glucose, but berberine showed slightly greater improvements, including a significant difference in HbA1c reduction over the course of 12 weeks, with fewer GI side effects. So doctors never want to tell you that this natural compound is working just as well without the side effects. That's pretty incredible. There's an older pilot study with those suffering from type 2 diabetes, and they found that berberine reduced fasting and post-meal glucose and lowered HbA1c similar to the extent as metformin over the course of 3 months. Okay, so therefore we know that this is working. It's very well research backed. The studies have been done, and like I said, the berberine will act similarly in the body as the medication or the GLP-1s will in order to help you lose weight. Now, one of the things you have to do in order to get this berberine to work well for you is to make sure that you're effectively dosing it. I talk about it all the time. One of the reasons that many people are not getting results is because they're not effectively dosing it. And I'll share with you the second reason that people aren't getting results in just a second. Now, when we look at the dose, if you are taking berberine, you're going to want to be around 500 milligrams 2 to 3 times per day. Okay. And then when we look at when is the best time to take it, about 15 to 30 minutes before a meal, especially a meal that contains higher amounts of sugar or carbohydrates, which I would, at this point in time, if you're trying to lose weight, highly suggest for you to get rid of the sugar and lower the carbohydrate intake. But certainly taking berberine is going to help you lower your blood sugar either way. Now, the reason that we actually want to take this about 15 to 30 minutes before a meal is because it will help blunt that post-meal glucose spike, okay? And also, if you take it 15 to 30 minutes before a meal, it'll actually reduce appetite, helping you eat less, which is one of the big factors that are associated with people losing weight on the GLP-1s. They just eat less. Their appetite is less. And when you eat fewer calories, guess what? You start to lose some weight. Now, I want to point something out here that's very important. If you are someone who takes this berberine and you start to get a little bit of stomach upset and irritation in the stomach from taking it, then you're not going to want to take it on an empty stomach, and you'll simply just take it with your meal, not 15 to 30 minutes before. Okay, a lot of people say, well, berberine doesn't work for me because if I take it makes my stomach upset. Just don't take it on an empty stomach. There's many things out there that if you take on an empty stomach, like minerals, for instance, things that are very healthy for you. If you take them on an empty stomach, a lot of times they just make you feel lousy. So therefore, take it with food, problem solved. Now, I want to be a little bit more specific because I want to share with you how to get better results. There is a type of berberine that we use clinically all the time, and it's 5 times more bioavailable than regular berberine, okay? This berberine is called dihydroberberine. One of the reasons that I like it so much is because it's 5 times more bioavailable, meaning that you're going to absorb it so much better. And the other reason that I really like it is because for anyone who does get any type of distress in the gut, if they're taking berberine, it is severely reduced because you're taking a much lesser dose and it's going further. So earlier on, I said if you're taking like regular berberine, you're going to want to take around 500 milligrams 2 to 3 times a day. Well, if you're taking this type of berberine that I'm talking about that I use in my clinic, you're only going to be taking around 200 milligrams 2 to 3 times per day. And the benefit of that is you're taking a much lesser dose, you're absorbing it better, and you're getting better results. So that's pretty cool. And if you want faster metabolic effects, this is what you want to use. And I'll put a link in the description below to the berberine that I'm talking about. Another thing that I really want to point out, there was recently a study done, and what they did is they looked at all of these different berberines on the market, and they found that around 50% of the berberines on the market that you can go and buy had less than 10% berberine in them. So imagine going and you're buying a supplement and it says, oh my goodness, it's got 200 milligrams of berberine in it. And then you get it and it has only 10% of that in it. That's what they found. So this is another reason that people don't get results utilizing berberine. I hear all the time, I tried berberine, it didn't work. Well, imagine that you tried berberine and it didn't work because you took a dusting of it. You didn't even take the proper amounts that are absolutely necessary in order to get results based off the clinical research. So therefore, we have to make sure that we're using a quality product here too. So links in the description below to what we're using, check it out. Now, how long should you take it? This is a really important factor here. You need to be taking berberine for at least 8 to 12 weeks in order to get meaningful change. One of the things that's important to understand about this is that this is a natural method of weight loss, okay? So you don't just take it and lose 30 pounds overnight. This is something that's going to take some time. So minimum of 8 to 12 weeks in order to see meaningful change. That's what the research shows. This is what people were doing in order to get results. And many people, what they'll do is they'll cycle it on for 8 to 12 weeks, and then they'll come off of it for 2 to 4 weeks and then cycle back on. Okay, this is a way to actually help you lose weight and then give your body a chance to reset and then go back into pushing that weight loss again through blood sugar control. And when we get into the exact mechanisms of how this berberine is going to help you with weight loss, this is what's going to happen. You're going to start taking it. Let's say you take it 15 to 30 minutes before a meal. You're going to reduce your appetite. Okay, you're going to eat fewer calories throughout the day because of this. You're just eating lesser portions. Then from there, it's going to help reduce sugar cravings. When you're not craving a bunch of sugar and carbohydrates, your blood sugar starts to stabilize much faster. As a result of that, weight loss. It's going to help lower fasting insulin. I told you before, if insulin's high, you will find yourself in a position where you have weight loss completely stopped. This is called weight loss resistance. You're eating less, you're trying to do all the things to lose weight, but you have high insulin, high blood sugar that's out of control, can't lose weight. You're also going to see fat loss as well, especially around the abdomen. So berberine is one of the things that you can use. Put that in your toolbox in order to help you lose weight. I tell people all the time, look, I live in reality. I understand that people are turning to many of these different medications out there simply because they are stuck and they can't lose weight. I work with people clinically every day who are in this exact position, trying to lose weight, can't get the weight to budge, this is going to help you. And when you combine this berberine with calorie control, right? Start tracking your calories and understanding how much you should eat every day. Start exercising every day. Start lowering the amount of carbohydrates you're eating every day. Cut sugar out of your diet. You will lose weight. There's no doubt about it, okay? Here's a few pro tips for better results in order to help you lose weight, because I want to see you finally lose the weight and get the results that you've been looking for. First of all, start walking after meals. You're going to dramatically drive down blood sugar even more, so walk every time you eat. If you're working, take a quick break, go for a walk. After dinner at night, go for a walk with the family, go walk on a treadmill, whatever. Walk after meals is very powerful. Start upping your protein intake. Up your protein intake, and it's going to drive you to focus on the foods that you should be eating and really help cut cravings on foods that you shouldn't be eating, like candies, sweets, sweetened beverages, and all the things you don't want to have in your life. All right, so up your protein intake. Make sure that you're optimizing your sleep. If you're not getting good quality of sleep and you're stressed out, every study shows that you wake up the next day, you have more cravings, you eat more junk food, you eat more calories, things go in the wrong direction. So if we combine these tools right here, these lifestyle tips with berberine, it is a recipe for results. Berberine's a game changer. It works for so many people. And if you want me to actually detail out what happens over the course of 14 days when you start taking berberine, watch this video right here.